It's snowing today. Here is like a river of snow or a sea of snow. See, I came in here in the backyard and this is how much snow we got in here. Oh my god. And here in front, ooh, look at this. This all snow. Oh my goodness, I have to shovel again. This is so crazy. How much snow we got. It's our front is full of snow. See, all over the place is snowing like crazy. It's snowing so tough today, guys. Good thing Garrett gave me this Range Rover where it's actually have a snow feature, so it's really very reliable during snow. It drives well in snow and it has a heated car set right away. It's easily get heated and it has a steering wheel heat also, so it's really nice car.